Hey guys, welcome to the Acne Clear Chef, and I hope you're having an amazing day. And today I just want to jump on and share with you the number one superfood that you can incorporate into your diet to help you clear up your skin. Now, I'm not guaranteeing this food can 100%, if you start incorporating into your diet, will 100% clear up your skin 100%. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is that I think this is the number one food that if you incorporate into your diet, you're going to start to see an improvement in how you look and how you feel. And I think that's the most important things. But there are also lifestyle factors that you need to consider that'll also help you on your acne clear journey, such as stress reduction. Sleep, I think, is number one. If you're not getting good sleep, just start sleeping in more. That's something I've been doing recently because I've been really behind on my sleep because I've really been pushing myself in certain areas of my life really hard, especially in the past. And what happens is when you really stress out your body, the stress kind of builds up. And if you don't find a way to recover and recuperate from high levels of stress, it's going to be stored in your body and you're not going to feel the best that you can be feeling. Excuse me. So it's super important to manage your stress, but also to get that sleep in. Sleep is super, super good for your skin, and it's free. You don't have to pay for it. All you have to do is go in bed and close your eyes and then wake up feeling a little refreshed. If you're really behind on sleep, this may take a while, but again, good health happens over time. But I want to give you guys my number one superfood that you can incorporate into your diet. It's going to help improve the quality of your skin. And what I found from my experience has helped me. Now, again, this food is going to work for a lot of people, but it may not work for everybody. So I'm just going to let you know because everybody's so different, and the foods you consume on a daily basis will affect everybody negatively. But my number one food that I would highly recommend for anybody who wants to help clear up their skin is start to incorporate freshly squeezed green juice in the morning. So write that down, guys. Freshly squeezed green juice in the morning. Now there's two ways you can go about this. Number one is you can make your own, which I would highly recommend because it's cost effective and it's going to save you a lot of money in the long run. At the same time, if you're cooking with fresh ingredients, and incorporating them into a healthy lifestyle, what you really want to do, and sometimes we'll have, is leftover fruits and vegetables, which you can actually use to juice them. Now, again, you need to invest in a juicer to make this happen. So you're looking between $100 to $300 depending on your budget. I would strongly recommend, if you have some things in the house that you're not using, sell those things off and then invest in a juicer, because those things that may be collecting clutter or just collecting dust in the house that may have value but no usefulness or no purpose, may as well sell it. If you have some old toys laying around or some memorabilia or some people have attachments to things that they love, but maybe it doesn't see much use. Maybe it's time to let go of some of those things, or maybe you have some leftover jewelry or whatever. There's always a way to finding an investment into something that you really want to invest in, because if it matters to you, you'll put in the money and the energy to make it happen. And I know if you're struggling with chronic cystic acne or any form of acne, you're probably going to do whatever it takes to help clear up your skin. That's why I created this channel, because I'm giving you real solutions that can help you with your acne. And I know they can help you because they helped me, and I know I can give back and help you. So investing in a juicer is a great way if you're not working or whatnot, or even if you have a job, you can just buy one. But definitely invest in a high quality juicer. I got an Omega juicer. You can also get a Breville juicer. And that's a great, great tool you can use on a daily basis to help you with your skin. So number one, making a green juice every morning. What does this look like? I'm just going to say it. I'm not going to show you, but I will probably have a video of how to make a healthy green juice, because the green juice does a myriad of things. It's going to help you with your skin, but the big thing it's going to do, I'll mention in a second after I share the ingredients, it's going to help revitalize your body. So what do you need? So number one, some organic apples. Make sure they're organic, because organic ensures that your food does not have any chemicals in it. Chemicals are really toxic for the body, and they disrupt the nervous system and the endocrine system. The endocrine system, which is responsible for reproduction, like sperm and eggs, it's attacks those areas and it attacks your nervous system. These foods are, I believe, specifically designed to help us keep us dumbed down and stupid. So important, very important to choose organic, because organic is going to help eliminate all of the chemical residues in your body. Number 2, some celery. Then you can do cucumber, you can do spinach, kale, lemon, and ginger. So those are just some foods you can incorporate in combination. Also incorporate a little bit of carrot. I know a lot of females, they love the beets, the red beets. They're good for you. I don't know why women love beets. I don't know, maybe just, I think it's a heart healthy food, but you know, females love beets. You can incorporate beets if you're a female. If you're a guy, you can incorporate beets as well. But I find that beets are very popular among girls for some reason. I don't know, maybe because it's purple, maybe because it's red. I don't know. There's something about beets and girls. They just love beets. But yeah, that's simply a juice that you can make every morning. So again, apple, cucumber, celery, kale, spinach, ginger, and lemon. So 7 ingredients, right? Few things. You're going to get a lot of micronutrients from the spinach and the kale particularly. It has a lot of antioxidants and tons of vitamins that are actually really, really good for the skin. I can't remember exactly what they're called, but vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin C, tons of vitamin C. And it's really good for the blood flow. That's one of the biggest things. It's great for the blood flow. So you're going to get a lot of these micronutrients packed in these vegetables in a juice form. And what happens is when you drink the juice, it's going to go straight through your intestinal wall, and it's going to go straight into the bloodstream. It's going to go straight into the digestive tract. It's going to go right into the blood because it doesn't have to be digested because it's a juice. And that's going to shuttle nutrients all throughout the body, and you're going to begin to see it through your skin, because what it's going to do, it's going to start to make your skin a little more glowy, a little more shiny, or a little more vibrant. It's going to give vibrancy to your blood. It's going to be vibrancy to your skin. So you're going to start to see an improvement. You may have, like, you know how some people, when they go outside and they have that orange tint and, you know, they look very attractive. I'm sure you've seen people who have this nice natural glow to them, particularly women. Even men have it, but women particularly, they can have that nice natural orange tone. I know my woman, she has an amazing skin. She has that natural tone, and a lot of other women have it as well. And it's because, you know, they just shine this radiance through their skin. But you can achieve the same thing with a green juice, because the vitamins and minerals are going to go straight to your skin, right? Particularly if you are avoiding foods that are potentially harmful to you. Again, no food is harmful for you. Particularly, it can be deadly unless you're allergic to it. But if you do have food sensitivities, it can cause issues in digesting food. So it's really important to replace foods that are causing digestive issues with foods that are more gut friendly. And if you don't know what to eat that's gut friendly, well, thank God I'm here, because you could just check out my YouTube channel and like my videos and share them with your friends and watch them and actually do something with it and start creating your own recipes, start creating your own acne clear recipes. And over time, you're going to start seeing the results of good health and good skin. And good health equals good wealth too, because the healthier you are, the better you feel. And the better you feel, the more things you attract in your life. People, relationships, money. Whoa, secret. Like, I'm busting the laws of the universe here. So yeah, this is going to be a power punched video, guys. And I'm telling you, it's going to help with your skin. It's going to help. I'm not saying it's going to clear up your skin. I'm saying it's going to help your skin substantially, because it's going to add a lot of, again, it's going to go straight into your blood. It's going to go into your digestive system, and it's going to be quickly absorbed into your bloodstream, and your body's going to pick up those nutrients very, very quickly, and it's going to be distributed evenly through your body, and you're going to see it through the skin. And if you do this on a daily basis, you know, I do it when I feel like it, but I know I need to be doing it every day, because I know it really helps with how I look. So if you're like looking to feel your best and look your best, and you want to look more attractive and feel more attractive, then you want to incorporate these green juices into your diet, because you're going to feel better, you're going to look better, you're going to get more attention from the opposite sex. People are going to start liking you more. You're going to start attracting more money into your life. You're going to start getting more beauty, more love. Isn't that what everybody wants? More love and beauty in their life. So If you like this video, guys, feel free to share with your friends. And yeah, I'll have a recipe on how to make your own green juice because I think this is vital information that you can incorporate into your diet. Have one of these every single day. Invest in a juicer. Sell the shit you don't use. And start taking care of your health. Peace.